Here's the problem I'm having with the Singing Wood multimedia speaker system BT25. As you can see, I have the power connected to the wall. This is the input to the speaker, which I have connected to my laptop. The speakers are connected directly. And the power is on, and it's set for line input for this number 1 channel. On my laptop, I have a metronome, an online metronome, which is running, and there's no sound coming from the speakers. It's plugged in. Let's adjust the volume downward. Now I have the speakers working. Let's stop it. Stop the metronome. Wait for about a second or two. Restart it. No sound. Let's decrease the sound again, the volume level on the laptop. And they're working. Let's try something else. Let's stop it. Wait for a little while. This time I'm going to disconnect the speakers. Start the metronome. I think you can hear that coming through the speakers in the laptop. And let's plug it in. No sound. Connections. Still plugged into the wall. Still turned on. Adjust the volume. Down again. Works. Start it again. Nothing. Multimedia speaker system BT25 is going to be returned.